Hey, what's up guys? So I was just out driving and my Redline 360C went off to 34,489, which is a really weird frequency. Turns out that was legit. It was actually a segment 4 gun. So let's go ahead and talk about that. So I wanted to find the source, so I wound up just following the arrows of my Redline to figure out where it was, and it turns out it was the local Snohomish County Sheriff Department. I pulled up right next door in their parking lot, and sure enough, 34,489 right there. Now, normally Stalker guns are supposed to be closer to 34.7 or so this was kind of transmitting lower than where Stalker guns normally transmit. And I wasn't sure if this was legit or not, so I fired up next the Max CI 360, and initially I was getting no alert at all. It turns out segment 4 was disabled, and so I turned it on, and sure enough, the Max CI started going off to the same frequency. Next up, I grabbed the Redenso RCM, turned that on. That was interesting. With KA wide, it would actually switch between alerting both at 34.3 and 34.7. The frequency displays are not accurate on that one, and so it's kind of switching back and forth there. I tried setting it to KA narrow, kind of more segmented, and it would still alert, but it would alert just as 34.7. It wouldn't let me know that it was kind of a out of tune, off frequency radar gun. Next, I tried the Stinger VIP. I didn't actually get the Stinger to alert at all. If you look at its segmentation options, it's got a number of different segments, but there's no KA wide setting, so nothing to alert around 34.4, 34.5 or so. And so even with everything enabled there, the Stinger was just pretty much silent. I did briefly get an alert to about 34.740 or so, but just briefly, and for the most part, the Stinger was just completely silent, so that was kind of wild. Either way, though, that was definitely interesting to find a gun that's transmitting at segment 4, and for that reason, I'm definitely going to make sure that I keep that segment on my different radar guns. Normally, Stalkers tend to drift more than some other brands of radar guns, for example, which is why instead of running segments 258, a lot of times people have been switching to 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, just to cover the kind of higher and lower ends. And yeah, so I found a 34.4, 34.5 gun and just wanted to do a quick video about it. I know they're common in New York. I've seen a few guns like that here and there around Washington, but just ran into another one and wanted to do a quick video. So anyway, yeah, hope you're all doing well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.